Listen carefully, because this is the moment everything changes. Right now, you're watching ordinary footage. Simple, replaceable. But in the next few minutes, you'll see how AI can turn a single idea into a full cinematic music video automatically. One prompt, one song, one click. And suddenly you have visuals, animation, lip sync, effects, and cinematic production happening in seconds. AI writes, AI designs, AI animates. You stay in control of the vision. No complicated editing, no expensive software, no waiting for hours. This is the new era of content creation, and the people who learn it first will always move faster than everyone else. So don't skip this video, because once you see what this tool can do, you'll never look at video creation the same way again. Now, let's jump in. I'm gonna search for Freebeat AI, the tool that can automatically transform music into a cinematic AI-generated video. And here we are. The interface looks clean, modern, and surprisingly easy to use. Right away, you can see different AI tools and creative options designed for generating high-quality music videos fast. I'll click on Make Free Videos, then select Add Music. Simple and direct. Here you'll find trending tracks, and if you scroll down, you unlock even more music options from platforms like Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, and more. For this example, I'm choosing one track. Right below that, we can control the video duration. I'll set mine to 20 seconds and confirm it. Next comes the prompt. This is where the AI gets its creative direction. So I'll paste a high-energy Cyberpunk prompt to generate cinematic futuristic visuals. Now for the character. You can either upload your own character or choose from the built-in options. And honestly, there are a lot of surprisingly good free characters available here. I'll select this one and confirm it. Next, we choose the aspect ratio. For YouTube, 16:9 works best because it gives the video a clean cinematic look. If you're creating for TikTok or Instagram Reels, you'd probably choose vertical instead. Now for resolution. You can go with 720p or 1080p, but I'm selecting 1080p for sharper and more professional looking results. Next is the visual style. Since we're building a futuristic music video, I'm choosing the Cyberpunk style to keep everything visually consistent. There's also an option for captions and watermark settings. I'll leave those at default for now. Then we have performance mode. You can choose fast generation or expert mode. I'm going with expert because it takes a little longer, but the final quality looks much better. Everything else looks good. So now the final step, generate. One click and the AI begins building the entire video automatically. Now watch this carefully. First, the AI creates the structure and overall direction of the video. Then it starts building the creative concept and visual scenes. Next, it selects and refines the character. After that, it handles the cinematic flow, transitions, and styling completely on its own. And the crazy part is how fast everything happens. Within seconds, it reaches post-production, where the final video gets polished and completed automatically. And just like that, the music video is ready. Let's watch the final result. And honestly, this looks surprisingly professional. The visuals are smooth, the character stays consistent, the animation feels natural. At some moments, it barely even feels AI generated. That's how fast this technology is improving. Now, imagine what creators will be able to make a few months from now. If you want this exact cinematic prompt, check the pinned comment below. I'd added it there for you to copy and use instantly. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to start creating with AI. And as always, keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.